Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best advent calendars for dogs that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Woofer's Advent Cookie Calendar. This classy and boutique dog advent calendar is the one to choose for the fashionable dog about town. The Woofer's Dog Advent Calendar features elegant, understated designs that have earned it a mention in the New York Times. Behind the windows of the Woofer's Dog Advent Calendar you will find 24 hand-baked and decorated dog cookies that have been lovingly made in the USA from locally sourced ingredients. Everything in these dog advent calendars is human grade. It would make a perfect gift for the discerning doggy in your life. Moving on at number 4, we have the GoodBoy Pawsley Meaty Advent Calendar for dogs. The GoodBoy Pawsley Meaty Treats Advent Calendar for dogs will make your dog feel part of the excitement of the holiday season. Behind each of the 24 doors there is a meaty treat. They are all made with real meat such as duck and chicken with a flavor dogs love. At number 3, we have the Dreambone Furry Christmas Advent Calendar. For those four-legged friends that have a sensitive stomach, these rawhide-free chews are the ideal option. It allows them to join in the festive fun without have tummy upsets. The Dreambone Holiday Rawhide-Free Collection contains real chicken as well as real vegetables. Dogs love munching on the crunchy texture, and these will soon become your dog's favorite treats. The texture also scrapes off plaque and helps with dental health. At number 2, we have the Best Friends Advent Calendar. With an adorable design featuring many of the nation's best-loved dog breeds, the Best Friends Advent Calendar is a wonderful way to share the holiday season with your pooch. It's packed with dog treats, one for every day of Advent leading up to Christmas. Your dog will soon be in the holiday spirit with tasty treats made from natural ingredients. There is no lactose or binding agents in the recipes. Behind each door there is a natural treat made from healthy ingredients such as peanut butter, coconut oil and carrots. And finally at number 1, we have the Good and Fun The 12 Days of Dogmas Calendar. Based on the classic 12 Days of Christmas song, the Good and Fun Holiday Chews and Treats is a Dogmas calendar with a treat behind each window. In the 12 Days of Dogmas calendar, your dog will find a selection of beef hide favorites which are triple flavor kebabs and triple flavor twist sticks. The high protein, 80% meaty snacks are made from several meats including beef hide, pork hide, chicken and duck.
Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon